Hi guys, it's Miss Halligan, and I just want to congratulate you on making it through your first 9 weeks of school online. Now, I feel like you guys hear this all the time, but this is not normal. And this can be very hard. It can be hard on you, it can be hard on your families, it's even hard on teachers. And I just want to say how impressed I am. Some of you guys are working just so hard, and some of you guys are doing more than you've ever done before. And I just want to let you know that we notice these things. And we notice that you guys are coming to retakes after school. You're emailing your teachers about your grades, and you're putting in that extra effort. And I want to say, from a teacher point of view, I'm impressed by you guys. I'm impressed by the conversations we can have in class. I'm impressed by some of the work you guys are giving me. And I want to tell you guys, don't give up. I know this feels like forever, and I know that feels weird learning from your bedroom or learning from your living room or your kitchen. But I want to say is that this experience is making you guys stronger. And I want to say that I am here for you. I want to say that if you need me, I am a phone call, I am an email away, and that you are not alone in this. And so I know and we recognize this is hard. And we want to say that, we're giving a lot of grace, but, that comes with accountability. And I think that we know that you guys want to do well. You're 11, you're 12, you're 13, you're young. And I think that this is something you will remember for the rest of your lives. I know that I will. But I know that I have loved getting to know you guys, and I've loved seeing what you guys can do, even in weird circumstances. So here's a little bit of a pep talk. 1, don't give up. This is not forever. 2, keeping a positive attitude is half the battle. If you go into your days thinking, oh, this is the worst, then guess what? Your days are going to look like how you feel. If you come into the day, hey, I'm positive today, I'm ready to learn today, you guys will do a lot better. And 3, communicate with your teachers. A lot of you guys are not sharing your screens, which is totally okay, but when we see your screen, we were able to make more of a connection with you. So if you feel comfortable enough, if you feel confident, share your screen. Again, I'm here for you all the time. Email me if you need me to call, I'll call. Whatever you need, we're here for you. Okay? I love you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Keep me posted on everything, and really good job on the first 9 weeks.